YouTubers, and welcome again to Silly Sid 123. You join me once again for a full flat demo, this time with my 1965 Hoover Junior 1334A, my second Junior I bought. Now, we've already seen videos of this girl, and she really does perform really well and growls the carpet like a Junior should. Very pleased with this one, can't wait to do the video. Now, before we start, I've got a very important announcement to make for my YouTubers. As you all know, there are some vacuum cleaners selling on eBay, and yes, they belong to me. Now, I am selling most of my vacuum cleaners off, getting rid of them because I'm falling out of love with the hobby. A lot of YouTubers have already spoken to me about it. Some agree, some disagree. There's a lot that used to collect and then just gave it all up. And all I can say is I've got other commitments in my life now. Well, very shortly, that I need to stop and well, keep this roof over my head for a start. And yeah, as I say, I've got other commitments now. So it is the case that Silly Sid 123 will be ending, but not just yet. There is a lot of videos coming up for this channel. I would say more than about 20, maybe more. The videos that will be coming up will be of full flat demos, sofa demos, and a new series coming up very shortly. Keep an eye on my channel and you'll see what that is. But no, once I've done all my videos, which will run out, I think, the start of next year, I'll be selling all my stock off. Now, I'm going to be keeping 6 or 7 of my vacuum cleaners. I'll be keeping them. My very important sentimental ones will be staying with me, because even though I'm giving YouTube up, it doesn't mean that I still don't like vacuuming and owning a bit of heritage. I still want to do that, so yeah, I will be keeping some vacuum cleaners behind. But yes, sadly things do come to an end. As I say, there's some YouTubers that disagree, some that agree. I understand the ones that disagree. It's, you know, I put all this effort into it, I've put all this work into it, I've looked at my stats, I've looked at my life, and I've gone, do you know what, I need to, that's it. I've got, like I said, I've got other commitments now. So, yes, Silly Sid 123 will be coming to an end, but not yet. So, let's get on with this full flat demo. Here we go. YouTubers, thanks for watching. Did you hear the growling? Wow, yes, fantastic machine. She really performed very well. She picked up everything off the floor. Quite pleased with this one. Really pleased with this one. Sounds a bit dry, as you could hear, but nevertheless she performed without a fault. So I hope you've enjoyed this video. As I say, plenty more videos coming up on this channel. This is going to be 2 videos per week, so there's no worry of my channel ending just yet. But yes, so hope you've enjoyed this video. Like, subscribe and enjoy my videos. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you soon.